perhaps one of the bigger mysteries is, in the midst of all this kind of filthy crap from all the rubber and everything else in the front, loose along with this came this somewhat brand new looking tensioner. It'll be interesting to see what the story is versus the special tensioner that they make for using the 10 rib stuff. And I got to make sure that I've actually got the right parts here, because this is the real problem. I feel like things have been mixed and matched a little bit, and I'm not positive I've got all the right parts. Obviously, you can see this air conditioning compressor has seen better days. May go back to the origins of the car. It does have an 8-rib pulley on it. It doesn't look anything like the clutch attachment that they had and the one they showed in the video, but who knows. This is the larger 15% overdrive, and we'll have to find out how all that mates up with the other stuff. This is the underside of the blower manifold. You can see that it's got Roush as part of the casting. Tells us a little bit about how all these things have been put together over time. But the gasket surfaces look pretty good. Interestingly enough, not quite as clean as the heads. So, not certain about how all this came together, but we'll find out one step at a time.